Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change your name on X, formerly known as Twitter. Whether you want to update your profile for personal branding or simply express yourself better, changing your name is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, launch the X app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your profile settings. Once the app is open, locate your profile icon. Tap your profile picture or the navigation menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will bring you to your profile overview. Now that you're on your profile page, tap on Profile. Here you can see all the details associated with your account, including your current name. Next, tap Edit Profile. This will allow you to modify various aspects of your profile, including your name. Now find the option labeled Name. Tap on it to make changes to your current name. Once you're in the name field, go ahead and make your desired changes. Remember, you can use this space to express your identity, so choose a name that represents you well. After you've made your changes, tap Save at the top right corner of the screen. This will update your profile with the new name you've chosen. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your name on X. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.